Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 9 of 3 words and expression of 100 day. As always, quick review first. 现在 now刚才 just now 稍后 later Okay, today let's going to learn Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangzhou in Chinese characters. Beijing, B A 北 Ji Ying京北京北京Beijing is the capital city of China. 北京口小北京The second one, Shanghai, 上海诗昂上和哀海上海上海Shanghai is located in the east of China. 上海上海山点水 means water related. 海 means sea. The sea. Shanghai, 上海上海上海 Next one, 广州广州广州Guangzhou is located in the south of China. 歌乌昂广州广州广州广州北京北京上海上海广州广州 Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in the comment below. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.